Hey everyone, welcome back to our CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn how to change background color using HTML CSS. It's a very simple process. What do you have to do? You just need to come over into your style.css file, and here you just need to have to type over here body. And now if you give the curly bracket, and here if you want to type over here background color, and then if you give the background color as gray, and if you save it, and now if you refresh it, as you can see, you changed the background color over here. Also, you can give the different color if you want to give it as a blue violet, and if you save it, and now if you refresh it, you will change the background color over here. So I'm going to give it as a sky blue, going to save it, and now if you refresh it over here, as you can see, we rightly changed the background color into our HTML CSS. So this is how we can simply change background color in using HTML CSS. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.